When you talk about alternative energy and living off the grid, a lot of people feel instantly that they will have to give up most of their modern amenities to live in such a fashion. Many more think this is an endeavor solely for granola-loving hippies, whose modest ways coincide with fewer technologies, TVs, ACs, etc. The truth is, living off the grid is a possibility open to anyone. Granted, you may have a larger investment if you are powering 3 chest freezers and all high-energy appliances. But this would simply mean you need a larger system. The increased demand for renewable energy technology has led to the development of more efficient and easy-to-use components to make living off the grid a reasonable option for anyone willing to be mindful of their energy consumption. Using renewable energy sources to produce electricity is a fairly simple process. You need a power source, sun, wind or water, from which you will harness a low-voltage direct current that is then converted, using an inverter, into usable house current, AC. Excess current generated by your system is stored in battery banks where it can be retrieved during more high-demand times or times when the direct energy source is unavailable. Living off the grid with renewable power resources is almost completely automated as well, except for the maintenance of your batteries. There is almost no special attention needed, other than monitoring your energy use to make sure you do not exceed your supply with your demand. The key to success in living off the grid is making sure you size your system to meet the demand of your energy needs. Living off the grid can be an exhilarating experience. The feeling of energy freedom is like no other, and you can be proud of your efforts to combat global warming, and best of all, you may never have to worry about a power outage again. It is important to conduct your research and determine which alternative energy sources will work best for you in your geographical area. But it is definitely worthwhile to learn how to live off the grid and feel the rush of freedom being off the grid can give.